Taxpayers own 60% of GM, but the government, and they still owe the government $43 billion. What taxpayers get back will depend on just how successful this stock offering is. GM has been jokingly called Government Motors since the bailout, but today General Motors formally filed to become a public company again.
This is not just an effort to raise $18 billion or $20 billion. It is a major relaunch of the General Motors brand.
The filing comes just 13 months after a leaner, meaner GM emerged from bankruptcy. It has trimmed its models from 8 to 4, paid off almost 2/3 of its debt, and in just 2 years cut its workforce from 93,000 to 53,000. A date for the stock sale has not been set, but it's likely to happen by November.
The president does not want to have the Obama Motors or Government Motors chant on the campaign trail.
The government is not expected to sell its shares immediately, and GM said in a statement today that taxpayers would continue to own a substantial interest in the company following the offering. Harry?
Anthony, who is going to buy this stock?
Large investors, institutions, hedge funds, they'll be interested. The retail investors probably going to be pretty wary, but GM's hoping that the $2 billion in profits it's already made this year will convince a lot of people to come in. Now, the price of the share is not going to be set before the stock actually goes on sale, but GM's looking to raise somewhere close to $20 billion, which would make this the second largest IPO ever.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Anthony Mason, thank you so much.